In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate QuickBooks to manage your customers and vendor requests efficiently. QuickBooks is an essential tool for business owners, and mastering it can greatly enhance how you run your operations. Let's start by heading over to the QuickBooks homepage. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in the QuickBooks website URL, or simply clicking the link if you have it handy. On the homepage, you'll need to log in to access all the features, so ensure you have your credentials at the ready. Once you're on the QuickBooks homepage, direct your attention to the menu where you'll see the option for Customers and Leads. This is your gateway to managing everything related to your customers within QuickBooks. Clicking on Customers and Leads will take you to a more detailed section where you'll find comprehensive customer management options. Now, you should see a section labeled Customers. Go ahead and click on this. It's an area specifically designed for viewing your entire customer base at a glance. Here you can add new customers, manage existing profiles, and do a whole lot more. Being comfortable in this section is crucial for smooth customer interactions and data management. Next, navigate to Customer Requests. This is where things get interactive. Customer requests are important to your business, and this feature helps you stay on top of any inquiries or issues that might arise. Click on Customer Requests to dive deeper into this section. You'll be able to handle incoming requests efficiently and effectively. Our journey continues in the Requests from Customers and Vendors section. This part of the platform consolidates everything you need from both customers and vendors in one place, saving you time and effort. Clicking on this option allows you to view pending requests, track their status, and respond as needed. Finally, complete your navigation by selecting Profile. This section is where you can review and update your company's profile information as necessary. It's essential to keep this information current for professional credibility and seamless transactions with your customers and vendors. By following these steps, you now have a good grasp of how to navigate through QuickBooks to handle customer and vendor requests. Having a structured system in place helps you manage your business more effectively, ensuring that no customer need is overlooked and every vendor interaction is attended to promptly. With practice, navigating QuickBooks will become second nature, allowing you to focus more on the growth and expansion of your business. Remember to explore each section thoroughly to uncover all the features QuickBooks has to offer.